Hello mga kakusina! Welcome to another cooking video here on my YouTube channel, The Cucinera at its finest. Now, I haven't had sardines in a while, not because I don't like them. In fact, I love them. But today, I was craving for something comforting, simple, and nostalgic. Today, I am using a kawali. This is a Filipino style wok, and this has been passed down to me from my grandfather. First, we are going to warm up a little bit of oil, then saute some minced ginger, garlic, and red onions. This is the holy trinity of Filipino cooking. Now, when it comes to sardines, I only use the brand Rose Bowl. There's just something about the quality of this brand. It has a rich tomato sauce, and the texture of the fish, it stands out from the rest that I've tried so far. I added the sardines right into the aromatics, letting it soak up all that flavor. And of course, I poured a little bit of water into the can to make sure I didn't waste a single drop of that delicious sauce. Then here comes the star twist, coconut milk. I used 200 ml of Coco Mama. It adds creaminess, depth, and just a touch of sweetness that balances everything beautifully. For seasoning, I kept it simple. Freshly ground black pepper, a splash of Malabon patis or fish sauce, and a pinch of MSG, just enough to round out all the flavors. Next, I added the pechay, stalks first, then the leaves, letting them cook gently in that rich, flavorful sauce. So here you are mga kakusina, a quick hearty dish that's budget-friendly, nutritious, and honestly super delicious. It's humble, yes, but every bite feels like home. Now, if you do like this video, give it a thumbs up, share this with your family and friends, and kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe sa channel ko, mag-subscribe ka na para naabangan mo yung mga upcoming videos ko and recipes. Thanks again for watching mga kakusina. See you again on the next video. Bye now!